Preparing the next generation of nurses depends on providing students with realistic training. Well, where do you find the patience for that? Allison Kirby takes us inside Cal State Fullerton's cutting-edge nursing simulation lab.
The simulation lab was made possible due to a large donation, which will ultimately affect the future generation of nurses. The simulation lab allows for students to practice medical care on lifelike dummies who can in turn produce bowel movements, take injections, and even die when the treatments are not done correctly.
Simulation is a teaching methodology. In conjunction with lecture and actually their clinical rotations going to the hospital, that just enhances their experience.
Simulation labs have become a force to be reckoned with in the field of education. They serve as a learning tool for students in order to provide them with hands-on practice. This method helps prepare students to become well-trained and knowledgeable nurses. The newest dummy the department has received is a baby that can do just about anything. There are, however, flaws to simulated teaching. A dummy cannot perform every single task that a human can. Therefore, nursing professors must thoroughly explain and walk students through the procedures that cannot completely be simulated.
This is a safe place for the students to learn how to take care of a patient in a safe environment, so they can practice scenarios, improve their critical thinking, and that way when they go to the bedside, they're that much better.
From exam rooms and hospital beds to injections and the threat of simulated death, though, technology has come a long way in further preparing medical professionals. For OC Insight, I'm Allison Kirby.
Well, Judy, you're a nurse yourself. Coming up in nursing at the time you did, I bet you didn't work on any dummies, unless they were not bright people you were attending to.
We didn't have the luxury of using simulation labs, and I must say that it's an incredible experience. We just completed a new grad program for 67 new grads this summer, and we're fortunate enough to partner with Cal State Fullerton to be able to use their simulation lab, and we did 5 full days of simulation with our students. And it's an incredible experience because we're able to then give them the security of being able to perform functions and really be able to understand that, and then take that into the hospital setting.